Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ram 1500 with the SLT package and the 5.7 liter HEMI. That sounds smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This vehicle also has a clean Carfax. And you see that it does have fog lights up front. Dual exhaust, chrome bumper, Bedliner, power sliding back window. Once again, the Big Horn package. See, it does have gray fabric seats. There's a picture of the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. Alright, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 102,119 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your push to talk, and your cruise control, and your gear limiters. And then you have your ignition, and that has a key fob to where you have a keyless entry, and then your shifter, 2 and 4 wheel drive, and 12 volt power outlet down there. And then you of course have your tray right here, and then you have another outlet right there. It's a USB, and then 115 volt here as well. It's very cool. And then heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and then your other comfort controls. And then you have your radio, and you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, and your media, which you can also run through USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth, and your controls. This also has your backup camera to where you can jump right to it without going into reverse, and then your apps as well. And this is where you can also go to your registration, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and other things like that. And then you can actually just turn the screen off, or you can jump to pairing with your Bluetooth phone. And you did see the backup camera, and as we come up, you're going to see your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. It does seat 6. Right now this is folded down so that it would seat 5, but this does fold up in order to seat 6. But for now you can use the auxiliary USB ports, 12 volt power outlet here, and stowage, and this is an armrest. Alright, as I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.